At the bottom of our planet lies a world forgotten by time, cold, silent, and shrouded in mystery. Antarctica is a frozen tomb of secrets, untouched for millions of years. But beneath Antarctica's ice, a hidden world stirs. What secrets has it kept sealed away for millions of years? From ancient ships frozen in time to pyramids buried in the snow, these are the 16 most mysterious, and possibly terrifying, discoveries ever made in Antarctica. For over a century, explorers believed Shackleton's ship, Endurance, was lost forever, swallowed by the merciless grip of Antarctic ice in 1915. Then in 2022, sonar scans revealed its ghostly silhouette nearly 10,000 feet below the surface, almost perfectly preserved. The timbers still intact, ropes still wound, as if time itself had frozen with the ship. The real question, why now? After 107 years. Some believe the ice let go for a reason, and that something beneath Endurance is far more significant than the ship itself. Hidden in the bitter soil of Antarctica are bacteria that should not exist, but, yet they do. These microbes feed not on light, water, or even nutrients, but on gases in the atmosphere. Hydrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. In essence, they breathe the air and thrive in temperatures that kill most life. This discovery didn't just shock scientists, it shook our understanding of life itself. Could these be Earth's most ancient life forms, or are they an evolutionary experiment gone rogue? Beneath Antarctica's surface, there lies a mountain range as jagged and colossal as the European Alps, completely invisible to the human eye. These ghost mountains were discovered using radar, piercing miles of ice to reveal sharp peaks and shadowed valleys. But what's truly unsettling is that their shape is untouched, almost like the ice formed suddenly, flash freezing the landscape below. What catastrophic event could have buried an entire mountain range in an instant? It's called Thwaites Glacier, but scientists have nicknamed it the Doomsday Glacier, because if it collapses, sea levels around the world could rise by more than 10 feet. And it's melting, fast. Warm water is now sliding underneath it, eating it from below. Worse still, Thwaites holds back several other glaciers. If it falls, they go with it. What if Antarctica's ice isn't melting by accident, but by design? In 2009, satellite imagery stunned the world. A massive, symmetrical, four-sided structure was detected sticking through the snow. A perfect pyramid, larger than Giza, located in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Scientists say it's a mountain, but its proportions, its geometry, and its sharp angles tell a different story. Who, or what, built this pyramid in a place humans weren't even supposed to reach until 1820? Far off Antarctica's coast, hidden deep in the South Atlantic, lies one of Earth's least explored regions, the South Sandwich Trench. This deep-sea chasm stretches thousands of feet into darkness, but recent surveys detected tremors, rumblings, and strange magnetic anomalies emanating from its depths. Some researchers believe the trench hides a supervolcano, that it's not natural at all, but the remnant of something buried, and perhaps still active. Scientists drilled deep into Antarctic seafloor sediments and pulled out something no one expected. DNA. Not just ancient, 1 million years old. The oldest genetic material ever discovered in a marine environment. These strands don't just tell us about prehistoric life. They are fragments of organisms no longer found on Earth. Were these creatures extinct, or still hiding beneath the ice? It sounds like science fiction, a 285-mile-long river flowing silently under miles of Antarctic ice. But it's real. Using radar, scientists traced its path as it weaves through massive ice streams, draining into the Weddell Sea. If it melts, sea levels could rise catastrophically, but that's not the mystery. The real question is, where is this river drawing its energy from? Some believe geothermal vents, others whisper of something older, man-made. In total darkness under crushing ice, photosynthetic life should be impossible, yet blooms of phytoplankton, microscopic light-powered organisms, have been found thriving beneath Antarctica's ice shelves. Where is the light coming from? What's feeding them? Scientists have no answer. But the existence of these organisms could hint at similar ecosystems beneath the ice of Europa or Enceladus, moons where life might already exist. We think of Antarctica as a land of ice and silence, but 75 million years ago it was a land of roaring fire. Fossilized charcoal deposits and burned wood fragments reveal that vast wildfires once swept this now frozen continent. But what fueled them? Volcanoes? Something else? New evidence suggests the climate shifted suddenly and violently, hinting at an extinction-level event lost to time. They appeared in 1974, then again in 2018. Massive holes, thousands of square miles wide, opening in the middle of Antarctica's thick winter ice. No heat, no explanation. They simply appeared. Some scientists blame ocean currents, others say underground pressure. But one theory suggests the holes are vents, connected to a network of tunnels below. What's more unnerving is that each time they appear, satellite anomalies are detected nearby. Researchers from Edinburgh University discovered something chilling. Beneath the West Antarctic ice sheet lie 91 volcanoes, some of them taller than the Eiffel Tower, all of them silent. For now. If climate change melts enough ice, these dormant giants could awaken, releasing ash, lava, and unstoppable glacial melt. Are we unknowingly living in the eye of a frozen supervolcanic system? In 1513, an Ottoman admiral named Piri Reis drew a map. It shows the Americas, before Columbus. And it shows something else, Antarctica. It shows it without ice, mountains, rivers, coastline. How could a 16th century mapmaker chart a continent buried under 2 miles of ice for 12,000 years? Some say he copied it from older maps, created by a civilization long forgotten. From the heart of the Taylor Glacier flows a deep red stream. Not blood, but iron-rich super salty water that oxidizes when it touches air. Scientists call it blood falls, but what makes it truly strange is what lives inside it. Bacteria, thriving in total darkness without oxygen, in toxic brine. This hidden ecosystem has been sealed away for millions of years. Are we looking at life as it once was, or as it might be elsewhere in the universe? Recently, in the dark waters of the Southern Ocean, researchers discovered a creature unlike any seen before. The Antarctic strawberry feather star, a 20-armed, alien-looking organism that glides across the seafloor with eerie elegance. Its appendages can sense movement, light, and vibrations. Its body, covered in tiny sensors. Is it just a strange marine animal, or is this creature adapted for something else? Deep field radar surveys in East Antarctica have recently picked up something unexpected, a vast, dome-shaped object beneath the ice, perfectly spherical, metal-rich, roughly 8 kilometers wide, too uniform to be a natural formation, and unlike any known geological feature in the region. Scientists remain silent on its nature, but some speculate it's an impact crater. Others believe it could be an artificial structure. And if that's true, who buried it? And why? Antarctica is not just a frozen continent, it's a vault, a time capsule, and maybe, just maybe, a message. As the ice melts, it gives up its secrets. The question is, are we ready to hear them? Watch this next video because what we found there was unthinkable years ago. See you there.